What's up, guys? Sean here from Srkcycles.com. We have a 2015. This is a special treat. I've never ridden one of these. This is my first ride on a 2015. I've never ridden one of these. I love the 650. I'm pumped about the 1000. Let's do it. Oh, hold up. Can't forget this. Guys, words of wisdom. Proverbs 20:24. Man's steps are ordained by the Lord. How can man understand his ways? Amen. We can't. We don't know. We don't see the big picture. We see a small little snippet, which is our life, and all these things intertwine in other people's lives. And sometimes good things happen to us, sometimes bad things happen to us. We cannot understand God's ways. That's how it is. Guys, I'm pumped. I'm getting the impression that this bike's just gonna be like a wheelie machine. Ooh, what's this? And this is honestly my first time riding this bike. Quick glance, it's super light. Just like crazy light, crazy nimble feeling, which is very exciting to me. I'm pressing this select button. Oh, power F. Okay, KTRC is Kawasaki's traction control. I don't know, I want to take it off. I don't know what one is. Is that more or less? I don't know. The power settings, let's see what's up with that. Maybe F is full, I don't know. I don't know, I just want to go. Come on, come on, come on. Let's do this, let's do this. Yes. Yes. This is a really, really fun bike. I barely got out of second gear, and I'm pumped. I'm pumped. It's crazy comfortable. I love the ergonomics of it. I love where the handlebars sit. I'm sitting straight up. The bike just feels stupid nimble. Don't know what gear I'm in. There's no gear indicator. And it's simple. You, the bike, the wheelies. That's it. That's all you need. What more do you want for a bike that can just really, really, really nimble? So you can get into a lot of trouble with a bike like this, and you can have a lot of fun with a bike like this. Now, I'm making some assumptions. One of the assumptions that I'm gonna make is that they yanked this motor out of the Ninja 1000. If anyone confirm or deny that, let me know. Yes. All right, what gear am I in? Pulls it up in first gear and no problem. Don't even clutch it, don't even nothing, just yank on it. That's super cool. I'm gonna go straight. I'm gonna get an idea of what this thing can do. I'm going straight. So that front end gets real light, even at the top of second gear. Don't know how fast I was going. The speed limit, of course. The speed limit. This would be such... So this is not an enduro bike. This is not like in the same category. This is not like a K bike. No, like a GS bike, because it's got street tires. this is the similar stance, similar feel, similar ergonomics, except it's all road. You know what I mean? So it's gonna be a little bit stickier. It's gonna be a little bit better on regular asphalt. The tires are made for it. Although I mean a GS bike can handle very well. Most people cannot, you know, take the bike to its limits on the road. And this would be very bad off-road, just because of the tires. If you're looking for a good bike just to take a trip on, a lot lighter feeling, and just super nimble. I mean, I could see this being a great touring bike, and then a great performing bike, because it's got great power, handles very well. This is like a dragging bag type of bike, you know. This really is a this is more of an advanced rider's bike. It's got a lot of power. If you're a new rider, it could definitely get you into trouble. If you're like a brand new rider and you really like this thing, I think maybe the 650. The 650 Versys is a great bike. Check out my video on that one. I loved riding it. I mean, I really loved riding that bike, but this just gives you more. And as Americans, we all know that more is better. Man, this thing is cool. So power, I don't know how to change that. What if there's another one? What if I can get more power out of this thing? Power mode. I have no idea. So I put traction control at 2. That's what's throwing me off. So I like the styling. I like the color of this bike. A big thing about me when it comes to riding bikes is I want to be seen. Clearly that guy didn't see me. But I want to be seen while I'm riding. You got colors like this, that's gonna pop out. I don't know what the percentages is. Is percentages is a word? I don't know. But you can see this bike. Everyone's got a black bike. Look at that. Put a 3-car big garage on that thing. You know what? While we're at it, let's just go do a 0 to 60 run on this. Man, it is a hot day. Whew, I picked like the wettest day. You just walk outside and you're soaked to do my test drives. Crazy low miles. Ooh, outside temp. Miles per gallon, 32. That was mostly on one wheel. Range, 82. This is great. So if you want to drop the windshield, it's not a huge deal. You just gotta unturn these things, drop it down. Maybe you could do it while you're riding. Maybe. Let's just find out. Yes. Up. Yes, you can do it while you're riding. What's up, guys? I'm Sean. Thanks for watching that great video. And as always, click down here to subscribe. And here's the next fun video for you guys to watch. We'll see you guys next time.
And that wasn't far enough away.
And I had no clue. I'm just gonna tell you guys to back off. Train your bikes. And listen, it's not what you're riding, but where you're going. We'll see you guys later.